The MV88 Video Kit is a professional quality portable microphone with included accessories for audio and video and flexibility to connect to additional devices. Choose from the following creative setups: videography, self-recording, audio capture, or field recording. The included phone mount is also compatible with any tripod with a 1/4-inch connector. Monitor your recordings with a dedicated headphone output and use the free Shure Motive Audio or Motive Video apps for complete control. Simply select how you want the mic to behave, set your gain levels and press record, then edit and share in seconds. Your new mobile recording rig directly connects to any Apple device via a Lightning connector or via USB-C to select additional devices. See shure.com/motive compatibility for details. The MV88 Video Kit is a creation for creators. Just add phone.